So this is the PDF that we obtained. Now, after obtaining this PDF, they're asking us to find the mean. So how do you get the mean? So you subscribe to the mean. You get the mean by the expectation is defined by for x or for x dx multiplied by x. So from 0 to 1, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4x x dx, which is the integral from 0 to 1, 1 over 2x minus 1 over 4x squared dx. That is piece 1, which is the integral here is going to be x squared over 4 minus x3 over 4 from 0 to 1, which is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 12. This is 12 down, and 3 minus 1, which is 2 over 12, which is 1 over 6. So keep that first piece. Remember, plus the second piece, the integral again of 1 over 4 multiplied by x from 1 to 2 dx. That is x squared over 8 from 1 to 2. That is 4 over 8 minus 1 over 8. That's 3 over 8. The third piece, from 2 to 3, you are again multiplying x there. So it will be x squared minus 1 over 4x dx, which is x3 over 12 minus x squared over 8 from 2 to 3. You take 3 there, you get 27 over 12 minus 9 over 8 minus you take 2, you get 8 over 12 plus 4 over 8. This is giving us, I think we just use 36. No, 8 can't go in 36. Oh, it's a normal number to use. 2 of them, these guys can go in 24. Yeah. So 12 in 24, 2 by 27, we get 54. Minus 8 in 24, 3, we get 27. 12 in 24, 2 by 8, 16, and 3 by 4, 12. So we get 54 minus 27, we get 27. 27 minus 27 plus 12, we get 39. 39 minus 16, we get okay. So 27 minus, this was 27 plus 12, it became 39. Then 39 minus 16, that's 23. So the expectation is equal to, we add these pieces. So the first one was 1 over 6, then 3 over 8, then 23 out of 24. That's 24 down. And then 6 in 24, 4, plus 8 in 24, 3, by 3, 9, plus 23. That's 27 plus 9, that's 36. Out of 24, which can be simplified. To send 2 there, it will be 18. 2 here, it will be 4. 6 there is 3. And 6 here is 2. So 3 over 2 is the expectation. The standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. So if you're asking for standard deviation, the square root of the variance of x. And the variance of x is the expectation of x squared minus this guy squared. Now we have already found this, so we need to find this. Again, the integral of all these pieces by multiplying x squared. Remember, by definition, this is the integral of all x squared f of x dx, which is first from 0 to 1. One over 2 minus 1 over 4 x multiplied by x squared dx. Of course, plus 1 over 4, the integral from 1 to 2, 1 over 4 x squared dx, plus the integral from 2 to 3, 1 over 4x minus 1 over 4 multiplied by x squared dx. That's the, as we expand, we'll be integrating. So 1 over 2x squared becomes x3 over 3 times 2, 6, minus, that's x3, so it will be x4 over 16 from 0 to 1, plus x3 over 12 from 1 to 2, plus x4 over 16 minus x3 over 4. This one runs from 2 to 3. That's this. So you take 1 over 6 minus 1 over 16 plus 8 over 12 minus 1 over 4 plus 81 over 16 minus 27 over 12 minus 8 over 16 plus, it's not 8, it's 16. 16 over 16 plus 8 over 12. These numbers are this. Okay, let's just add the one with 12 down. So 12, that's 8 minus 1 minus 27 plus 8. That's 16 minus 28. That's 4 plus 8, 4. That's negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1. Yeah. So -1. We also have -1 from here, making it -2. This piece, this one, and this. Then we have one for 16. 16 down. Then we get 81 minus 1. That is 80 over 16. Looks like 16 can go there 5 times. I haven't forgotten. This is 0, 5. Yeah, so it can go there 5 times. So this is 5. So we are dealing with 5 minus 2 plus 1 over 6. This is 3 plus 1 over 6. 6 down. 18 plus 1. 19 over 6. So the variance of x is going to be 19 over 6 minus minus 3 over 2 squared. That's 19 over 6 minus 9 over 4. Common denominator is 12. 2, that's the 8, minus 3, that's 27. That's 11 over 4. So the standard deviation is the square root of the variance of x, which is the square root of 11 over 4, which is root 11 over root 4. But you guys use calculators in this course, so you can punch and get the value of this and put the answer in decimal places. Then the probability of, then for D, so this was C also. Then for D, you try like what we did on question 9E. It's the same format. Look at the intervals where 1 at 5 over 2, 4. It will be something like starting from 1, 5 over 2 is 2 point something. So you integrate 1 over 4 dx from 1 to 2 plus you integrate from 2 to 5 over 2, 1 over 4x minus 1 over 4 dx. This will give us the probability. It will give us the probability for 1 less than x less than 5 over 2. 58 less than equal. That's how you get it. So you just take a term and integrating this, and it will reach us to the required solution. So we put down a crossing over to 100. I think there's a series of 200 today. So quit a bit and then proceed. Unless there are questions here. No question is that.